Hey, so I ask you guys, when is an improvement not an improvement? When you make an improvement and it's actually a necessity to help the machine or tool or work area to work effectively and safely, I think it's a necessity. At that point, when you're done with your necessities, then you could go ahead and make your improvements. So today, I worked on a necessity. So even though it's been a week, we've been in the shop, I still haven't had a chance to finish up this table saw and make a safe, so that's what I'm working on today. So when I was moving into my last shop, I picked up a bunch of this ENCO brand tools, a table saw, band saw, compressor, dust collector. I think it was made in Japan in the 80s. Pretty beefy saw, oversized motor, 5-horse motor, very well-made product. So I didn't want to add any legs or any large outfeed tables to this, so I took fast cap speed braces, screwed them into the corners, put a piece of aluminum angle on it, speed braces into the walls. So basically we're attaching the table saw to the end of this working island. So this was my first time using this Graco cordless spray gun, and it doesn't work like a conventional gun. As you can see, I pour it into a bladder and I push the air out of the bladder with that little cap, release the air, and then close the cap, and there you have it. You're ready to go. It primes itself up and pull the trigger and away you go. It works quick, effectively, and I'm really impressed with the outcome and how easy it was to use. So there it is. I finished the necessity table saw outfeed, side feed table. Now we could start doing improvements, putting things up on the wall, the blades, push sticks, all that. That was an absolute safety necessity. I'm glad it's done. That was my first time using the Graco Spray Gun as well with that general finish. And that's a latex finish, really rock hard. I only put 2 coats. This project doesn't really warrant sanding again and putting a 3rd coat on, but I think a 3rd coat would have really made it nice. But it is a very durable finish. It's rock hard to sand, and I'm happy with the outcome. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm Brian Way, and I'll see you on the next improvement.